Today, I'm going to give you an overview of the Holiday Inn Smoky Mountain Resort. Alright guys, here's the outside common area, or courtyard area I should say, at the Holiday Inn Resorts here in Gatlinburg. And we are staying in room 805 and just arrived. Here's a little area when you first walk in. It has a little doorbell. Here's our room number. And as you walk inside, Gentry's pretty excited about this place, right? As you'll see here, there is a little area with some beach towels and an area to put your clothes or whatever other goods you have there. Here's a nice little dining area and fireplace, which, let's go ahead and crank that on. Let's just see what it looks like here. So there's a fireplace. TV is right above it. Back here we have a hideaway couch, and over here we have a nice kitchen. Let's turn the lights on here so we can have a better view of the kitchen. It has a stove, a full refrigerator. We actually have a refrigerator, I think, perfectly identical to this in our garage back of the house. There's a sink, dishwasher, and the cabinets are fully stocked. We are going to be staying here, I believe, 8 days, 9 days maybe. Pots and pans. We have a beautiful view of Gatlinburg outside on the balcony, and I'll show you another clip of this in the daytime. There's two different views. There's views of the Smoky Mountains and views of downtown, and we received, without requesting, we received a downtown view, and it's right here on Historic Nature Trail. We have actually reviewed the Hampton Inn here on the Historic Nature Trail, and there you can see it's within walking distance to Arcadia and the Gatlinburg Space Needle. As we go back in, Henry, do you like this place? Yeah. All right. As we go back in here, oh, there's the fireplace. It's putting off some heat too. And as we go back here, here's one of the restrooms. It's the only restroom, in fact, because we have a one bedroom. There's a sink. Curious as to what's in here. Oh, hot water heater. There's the commode. Back here we have, oh cool, little jacuzzi jetted tub. There's also a shower here. All right, washer and dryer. Pretty cool. And right over here is master bedroom. And pretty cool. Another TV right here in the master bedroom. A little chair to sit. And views of the sidewalk and the courtyard area outside. And it looks like we also have here in the bedroom a closet with extra bedding and a little safe. And of course, it circles back around into the main area. So I know it's at nighttime, but my father-in-law did get a mountain view, and there you can see a little creek down below, and back there, Great Smoky Mountains. So I just want to point out, this is from my father-in-law's balcony. There is the Skyway canopy, and then over here, if you look way up there, if you ever take the Gatlinburg bypass, that is the lookout. And over here, in this vicinity, is over Gatlinburg. And right down here is the creek at daytime. So this is a potential view that you could have if you request a mountainside balcony. And here is a daytime view. Hey, Henry. Here's a daytime view of our balcony. And there you can see the Space Needle and the Skywalk. And it is a very short distance away. This is Historic Nature Trail right here. And of course the parkway is just right down there next to Arcadia and the Space Needle. And right over here you can see the log cabin pancake house. All right, guys, so here is the indoor swimming area at the Holiday Inn Resort here in the Smoky Mountains. There's 3 different water slides. There's a yellow one, a green one, and there's also a blue one right here at the end. You have these little, almost like squirt guns. Gentry and Henry had a good time on those yesterday. And then right up here, you have one of those buckets where once it is filled with enough water, it tips over onto you. It's pretty cool. There is also an indoor pool here at the Holiday Inn. In addition to the really cool water slides and water recreation area, there's also an arcade here in the hotel, including some air hockey. Here's another awesome amenity. Even though Gentry's actually not playing, he's pretending he's having fun here on the Xbox, which is free. Gets to play in this little game room. There is also a smaller fitness center. Gentry's getting a lift in real quick. But you can see back there, they have some cable bells, free weights. They have some stationary bikes, an elliptical, and a couple of treadmills. All of your basic needs. When it comes to parking, there's actually 2 different options. You can park right outside, or you can also park in a parking garage. There's a multi-level parking garage that is underground in the back of the hotel, and so we kind of opted for both. Good morning, everyone. I am here at the Holiday Inn Resorts in the Smoky Mountains, and as you can see behind me, a beautiful view of the great Smoky Mountains in downtown Gatlinburg. I wanted to talk a little bit more about the hotel that we're staying in, or the resort, I should say, that we're staying in. It is an amazing stay. We have thoroughly enjoyed every aspect of the condo, from the very comfortable beds to the very accommodating living room, where just a few mornings ago we had 12 people all gathered in the same living room eating breakfast together. Now, to talk about the prices, the important thing, the prices are so varied in the Smoky Mountains with any hotel. You could come in the off-season in January and February and get very super cheap and inexpensive hotel rooms for the night, and then you can come again in June, July, or a busy season, and the price is totally going to be 100% different. My father-in-law has a timeshare with Holiday Inn Resorts, and so we have 3 different condos that we are staying in right now. My sister-in-law and her family is in one condo. Of course, my wife and I are in this one, and then of course he is in another condo which faces the Smoky Mountains side. But we have actually looked into staying here on our own at one point, and the price was very inexpensive given the fact that you do have a full kitchen, living room, and all of the other amenities that we have listed and showcased throughout this video. Well, guys, that is the Holiday Inn Resorts here in the Smoky Mountains. We hope that you've enjoyed this review and overview of the resort, and we can't wait to see you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.